Hello, my name is Robert Negretti, and my PowerPoint presentation will be on Burwell versus Hobby Lobby. There was much controversy in the Burwell versus Hobby Lobby stores case, but ultimately the Supreme Court ruled in favor of the Green family's Hobby Lobby stores. This ruling has since expanded the First Amendment, more specifically, freedom of religion, and allowed for a new set of standards for businesses with a religious affiliation who offer healthcare insurance. The main issue brought up in this case was the issue of religious freedom. The case also dealt with the legal issue of what rights are given to corporations. Basically, the case was attempted to answer whether or not a corporation was a person, and in determining that, whether or not a corporation has the same rights as a person. September 2012, Hobby Lobby filed a lawsuit in the U.S. District for the Western District of Oklahoma against enforcement of the contraception rule based on the RFRA and the Free Exercise Clause of the First Amendment. District Court denies an injunction. March 2013, U.S. Court of Appeals for the 10th Circuit granted a hearing of the case. The court ruled in favor of Hobby Lobby, required that the government stop enforcing the contraception mandate with respect to Hobby Lobby. September 2013, the government appealed to the Supreme Court. In November 2013, the Supreme Court accepted the case. Plaintiffs argue that a federal mandated health care plan that required corporations to provide for specific contraceptive devices was against the corporation's religious beliefs. Argue these beliefs were protected under the Free Exercise Clause for the First Amendment and the Religious Freedom Restoration Act of 1993. The defendants argue that the plaintiffs cannot claim to have religious beliefs because they are a for-profit corporation and therefore not people. Companies have rights and obligations that differ from the owners, and the federal health care plan therefore does not infringe upon the RFRA and must be complied. The Supreme Court ruled in favor of the plaintiffs, said that mandate was violating a federal law that protects religious freedom, said that the mandate created a financial burden for Hobby Lobby's religious liberty. The court accepted that the government had a compelling interest to allow women to get access to contraceptives, but there were other ways to accomplish this without violating religious liberty. For notable dissenting opinions on this case, Justice Ruth Ginsburg stated in her dissent that corporations would seize this ruling as an opportunity to seek religious-based exemptions just to save money. They could potentially deny many people from health treatments because it is a violation of a corporation's religious rights. Corporations could not object to health coverage of vaccines or paying the minimum wage or according women equal pay for substantially similar work. This concludes my PowerPoint presentation on Burwell versus Hobby Lobby. Thank you.